What's poppin' with the squad? How y'all doing? How y'all living? It's your boy Amari. We back with another one. And today we got a special one for y'all coming from Geoff, the big homie Geoff, the man of 1,000 characters right here, alright? We got the reigns of Castamere from Game of Thrones. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have still yet to get past the first episode of Game of Thrones. But people keep telling me to watch it, and apparently there's a new show, a new series inspired by it, so, I might just end up checking it out one of these days. Who knows? But until then, we got Geoff singing this. We ain't even gonna hold you no more. Y'all know what to do. Go support Geoff. Go stream his music. Watch his videos. I'm not gonna lie. Ain't No Sunshine is probably one of my favorite covers I've ever heard. If I'm being honest, he killed that. Y'all know the drill for me. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button. Hit that notification bell as well. Stay up to date with the new. We dropping daily. Let's get into it.
And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low. Only a cat of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. In a coat of gold or a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, the Lord of Castamere.
Yo, this sound like a war song. This sound like my man's getting ready to go burn down an entire village right here. Like, do you not just feel like that menacing glare, that like dark energy behind what he's singing? Yeah, I'm just keeping it a stack with y'all. This is what he's giving off.
But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, with not a soul to hear.
Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Yo, hold on. Yo, hold on. This production goes hard. This production goes hard.
And so he spoke,
the Lord of Castamere.
But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Now the rains weep o'er his hall, with not a soul to hear.
Oh my god. I felt that bass deep in my bones. But like, yo, can we talk about this for a second? Like, just the way he's able to, like, I know nothing about this show, but please correct me if I'm wrong. The way he sings this definitely makes it sing as if it's a war song, as if it's a warning, as if it's a, hey, back off. Like, y'all really about to catch this smoke? Like, I'm really about to set your whole village up in flames? Like, you really about to be the only one left? It's either that or my man's is real sad because he just got attacked and, like, now he's the one alone. I don't know, but either way, the way he's able to portray that and like get that to somebody who has no idea what the show is even about, like, I mean, I think that's pretty dope. I love the singing, like his vocals are dope as always, especially that last little bass note that I felt that one. But like that's one of the things about Geoff and his style of artistry is that he's able to evoke emotions that even if you have no idea the context of the song itself, you're still able to get a pretty good gist of what's going on. So I think that is all wrapped up in the theater kids with voice play, how they're able to use things that aren't necessarily just their vocals to tell their stories, their backdrops, their production, their use of characters, and in this situation, 3 knights surrounding Geoff, who also happened to beat Geoff. Anywho, but you guys get what I'm saying, hopefully. He killed this.
To
So yeah, that was the Reigns of Castamere. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys feel? That's really made me want to start watching Game of Thrones. I cannot lie, because if this is the vibe we're going with, if we're walking around offering people to smoke freehand like that, then like, yo, I'm down for this. Also, if you haven't, please listen to these two songs that he did. I did reactions to them, so you know, if after you listen to that, if you haven't heard it, come hear my thoughts on it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.